Well, I'm up in a lift at the Bristol County Superior Court building downtown Taunton with Pat Gibbons. Pat, you're the site foreman for the company that's repairing the old copper tiles, panels on the roof. And how's it going out here, you and your partner?
Going good. Going good.
And you were saying that originally this building, the installation of the panels the repairs done should have been not done the way they were. They should have been done in a way that was more efficient, so that way it wouldn't have taken so long to do it this time.
Yes. Yeah, originally the roof was made with a double lock standing seam, and someone had repaired certain areas with a single lock, and that's not the way to go.
And how high would you say we are up right now?
We're about 75 feet.
75 feet. Well, I'm wearing a harness, so I can't afford to be afraid of heights right now. And that's your partner, Ben. He's getting ready to put a panel, a brand new panel, replacing some of these panels. The problem here is that we had a severe windstorm in March, and they started blowing off, and that's a real problem. So the county got the okay from DCAM, from the state, to do the repair, hire a company to do this repair. So they've already been out here for about 3 weeks. They're going to be out here for at least another week. And it's not often you get to see Taunton Green from this perspective. Well, that's a nice view, wouldn't you say?